So, good morning, students. In last class, we have started the garbage in, garbage out, where we have discussed what is garbage and what kind of the garbage should be that should be kept in reuse that garbage, and another kind of the garbage, and another different kind of the garbage which should be throughout from the houses. Now there are the different ways to manage these garbage by a different process. Now, in last previous class, we have started a discussion about the what is biodegradable. There are the two types of the waste. One types of waste is basically known as biodegradable wastage, and another kind of wastage is basically known as non-biodegradable wastage. Here we are going to start today that what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. After that, we have some examples related to this, what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. These things we will have a talk in today's classes. Now, just you go through these pictures and you can understand what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. There are the different kind of the pictures which you can see here. These are the some kind of the food or vegetables we called as a vegetables. These are the mm, rib food or vegetables which are cannot be used. These are the wastage of vegetables which cannot be used, or somewhere it is a rot. Now what happened here, all these vegetables are basically are biodegradable wastage, and that biodegradable wastage are basically throughout a particular place that gets converted into the different kind of the manures. So it is a biodegradable because it can be mixed with the soils after the some process. So here there is a written in biodegradable wastage. You can just see here, biodegradable wastage are any organic matters. These basically are, we are talking about, these are the some kind of the vegetables, all the vegetables and foods item, all these kind of the things are comes under the organic matter. And these organic matter, when they are not usable, or some time they are get rotten, at that time that's comes under the waste. And these, since it is a organic matters, that's why it is called a biodegradable wastage, and that can be broken down into the water. That means these kind of the wastage are broken down into the water. Like here, there are the some kind of the biodegradable waste. After the conversion of the biodegradable waste, it gets converted into methane. There is a carbon dioxide and some organic molecules, and these organic molecules are these when kept a particular place, these gets converted in presence of the fungi, like fungi and other living organism, by using these matters, these wastage as their food, and it gets converted into these kind of the different some substances. When these kind of the substances are get converted by this fungi and any another microorganisms, then it is called as composting. Here it is written, it is written here, it is called a composting. So basically the biodegradable kind wastage are the those kind of the wastage which can be degraded in the presence of either any microorganisms, or any kind of the microorganism, as well as any kind of the another procedure. By this, that kind of the vegetables and materials that can converted into the different manure material. These kind of the things basically called as a biodegradable wastage. So Here, now next point is non-biodegradable. When we talk about the non-biodegradable, this word already significance gives a significance that the kind of the materials which is non not comes under the bio materials like electronic gadgets, plastics, all these kind of the materials which cannot be decomposed or anyhow it cannot be degraded in the soil or anywhere else. That kind of the wastes are basically known as non-biodegradable wastage. And here, according to the given point, it is type of the waste that cannot be broken down. It is major important point which you have to always remember. To understand this point, it is talk about if these kind of the materials are not broken down again, then this kind of the things are non biodegradable waste. And it is not it this kind of the non biodegradable waste cannot be converted into the compost. So and it is also the harmful for the soil as well as any kind of the living organism also. So uh, non-biodegradable waste are not useful for um, all living organisms, but it can be used wherever there is some small dug around the earth to fill that kind of the dug. These materials are useful and it provides the hard surface to the soil. Non-biodegradable waste is an environmental concern. If it burns, even if we want to burn these kind of the materials, then it produce the large number of harmful gases, which is also responsible for the pollution. So these kind of the materials neither can be burned nor can be destroyed by any process. So only one way to use this kind of the wastage, non-biodegradable waste, is to only use for the landfilling purpose. And because of that, since it cannot be degraded for a longer period of time, so um, it provides the hard surface to the it provides hard surface to the uh, earth. Now, when we talk about this, another kind of the non-biodegradable substance that is called as a plastic, and these plastics are basically a kind of the material that is used a wide range of synthetic and semi-synthetic compound, and these synthetic and non-synthetic compounds are basically are cannot be malleable and can be molded into solid object. Means it can be converted into different form, but cannot be completely destroyed. So the plastic is another non-biodegradable substance that cannot be also composed into the soil. So it is also a very uh, harmful for the environment. Now the plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, or melt rolled into the sheet or made into the wires. These can be happen by this can be basically happen with the plastic, and that is why it finds such a variety of use. And the plastic is a number of the varieties. The plastic is non-biodegradable, as already I told that poses major health hazard. It is a kind of the also substance which causes a major health hazard because it produces the harmful gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases. It is not um, healthy for any kind of the living being. So these are basically called as a plastic. Now here you can also see there in these pictures, you can here there are the many things you can see here and here. If these kind of the organisms are this basically, this is the plastic kind of the materials. If these kind of the organisms are suppose that they either chewing these kind of the non biodegradable or substances, they cannot be they are basically give the very harmful to the our environment as well as the animal, for all living beings. Now, here we are going to discuss if we have to a common understanding, if we have a common understanding about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, then there is a the process by which these can be degraded or not degraded. That kind of the process is basically called as a composting. Now, when the biodegradable wastage are composed, then it required some kind of the organisms by which these composting take place in at a within a period of time. Now, what happened here when these organic matters at this point, when these organic matter that has been composed and the recycled as fertilizer and soil nutrients, the means the biodegradable waste is which composed by the living microorganisms, then it provides it converted into the fertilizers, that organic matter converted into the fertilizers as well as this it provides the nutrient for the crop. Now how this process can be done means composting, how the composting can be done by the use of the some organisms like a red worm, like a red worm. And red worm basically do the composting process by means it provides the in a minimum time it converted that organic matter into the compost. Now what happened here, and the process by which these compost are done, that is called the vermicomposting. Means whenever we any microorganisms to compose the organic matter, then it kind of the composting, this kind of the composting is basically known as vermicomposting. In vermicompost is the product of the composting process using various species of worm that as already um, giving you some examples like red worm. Red worm is a kind of the worm that used for the vermicomposting. Here there are the different kind of the worm species are given here, that is called the red bringle, white worm, and the other that is called the earthworm are used to create a mixture of decomposing vegetables or wastes. These kind of the wastes are basically decomposed by these kind of the materials. The product vermicomposting compost is an excellent manure for the garden, nurseries, and the farms. These kind of the fertilizers are we call as a manure are very very we called as a very the nutrients for the garden, for the nurseries, and for the farms. So the vermicomposting are done by any kind of the worm species, and well known worm species is red worm, we call as a earthworm also. Now the red worm here, the in this slide you can see here, red worm do not have teeth. They have a structure called gizzard that is, which help them to grinding. There is a structure. There is a structure of gizzard uh, in red worm, and with that structure they basically grind their foods, whatever the foods will nearby him, they grind with that blizzard. And red worm do not survive in very hot or very cold surroundings, it happens. And they also need moisture around them. So with that worms, the worms are put into the pit containing the useful component of garbage. There is a uh, there is a place where the garbage are collected. These places, the red worms are put, and after some time, they convert into the different kind of the manures, and these manures are very helpful for the crop as well as the soils. This part will have discuss in the next class. What you have to do, you have to complete these kind of the write down these kind of the notes in your copy, and solve all the related questions given in your book. And if the problems are coming, you will be welcome at time of the online classes. I will solve all of your problems. Now you are especially request all of you complete your notes, and do all the kind of the things which is necessary for your health as well as for your knowledge. So thank you for today. We will meet in next class with the coming topic of garbage in, garbage out. Thank you.